Alright, we got this little reach in. It's not working. I'm just gonna make sure that we're getting the call first. Yeah, I can hear the click. Alright, so I'm gonna jump behind the unit, make sure we're getting voltage to it. Press is not hot. Then it spins freely. Alright, so I'm getting a weird voltage. I'm getting 120 in, but it's coming out like 26 volts. So I'm gonna check this controller and let's see what I got coming out of it. Got 32 coming out. Alright, so a few things I did notice. That wire is burnt. See that? That one started to burn up too. But I'm gonna make sure I got the right proper incoming voltage. I got new wire connectors on there. Gonna put back together. These are the old ones. See how burnt up that was? This one is getting there. So now I'm gonna turn on power and check for voltage again. So I'm checking the power. The line's going in. Coming out right here. See that red wire? See that black wire is going into that switch, coming out the switch to the red, and then the white's my neutral. So this being the outgoing power, I'm just gonna check for 120 volts. Make sure I got the proper voltage. The fan should turn on, and then this is going to the compressor, condenser fan motor. Then I'm gonna plug that in and watch the compressor turn on. So that's looking good. That person without the water running? What the heck? I thought it was on my side now. Right, I heard the compressor turn on. At about 26 psi. About 206. Alright guys, this is a tough one. So as you can see, it was icing up. And it would stop right here. See my capillary tube, it wouldn't ice up right here, but once my capillary tube starts coming up and around, starts icing up all the way through. see still some ice. There's only like 5 ounces in it, so I'm not gonna bother recovering. Alright, I'm gonna blow this out with nitrogen through here. Make sure I have good air coming out. Then I'm gonna pull another vacuum. Make sure there's no non-condensables in the system. Alright, got it on vacuum. Alright, got it charged up. Gonna stand your pressure. Check the temperature again. Yeah, she's running a lot better now. It's condensating, but not freezing up no more.